Hi, my name is Neha and I have recently joined Lisa app as a parent counselor, and I've also done diploma in special education. And my son Laksh was diagnosed with autism and ADHD at the age of 5. Obviously, it was the delayed diagnosis. Everybody were like it's too late, and even we delayed it in denial for a very long time. Because of which, when we went to therapist for his therapies, everybody were like, this is a hopeless situation, we can't help him. He is already 7, he should have been in therapies at the age of 2 only, 3 only. So we got scared, but as a mother, I couldn't give up on my child. So when we started therapy, it was challenging, obviously, because when I started with this mindset that something is wrong in him and I need to fix it. I need to make him normal. So challenges were there, obviously. But once I changed it, I changed that mindset to accepting my child's condition, accepting that he's autistic and his brain works differently, accepting that he needs to be taught the way he can understand instead of teaching in a normal way. So when I changed that mindset, he started responding to therapy very beautifully. Now at the age of 10, he goes to special school. He is fully functional. He understands everything. He is semi-verbal. He reads, he writes, and he gives exams also. And his behavior is changed totally. And his sitting tolerance was zero. Now he goes to school, he sits there, he participates in all the activities. So that's how it is. You have to change your mindset regarding your child. Actually, autistic childs were not designed for this world. Neither this world was designed for them. So obviously, with all those sensory regulations and all, they need a different approach to settle down in this world. And that only parents can do, because you are the only one they rely on, you are the only one they trust. Instead of thinking as a parent, when you change the mindset and start thinking as a primary caregiver of your child, things change and your child bloom differently. There is a different approach with our kids. Like if a normal kid understand a concept in one go, my child will understand teaching the concept in a different way, like showing them visuals, telling them repeatedly for 10 times. So they learn differently. So you need to understand this. There is a lot of work we need to do as a parent. So there is no miracle. The miracle actually lies in the work which you are avoiding to do with your child. So obviously, as a parent, you need to work with your child. You are the first therapist. Then the therapist will teach you how to teach your child. But you are the one who will be the guiding light for your child. This is it about our journey. If you want to know more, if you want to connect with me, if you want to talk about autism journey, if you want to talk about your child, then you can connect with me through Lisa app. I'll be happy to help. Thank you.